our deep fryers for our taco carts. First off, the overall dimensions. Left to right, we have 13 inches in length, a depth of 15.5. And the overall height, we have at least 12 inches. So these fryers can be a substitute for the warming pans for the taco carts that we sell. So the compartment where the warmers lay can be removed in replacement of these fryers. Coming to the bottom will be your drain for your oil, and the center will be your basket for frying. Measurements for the basket will be 9.25 inches in length, 6 inches in height, by 13.25 inches. That's the measurement for the basket. For the inside, we have a measurement of 11 and 15/16 in height and a depth of 12 inches. So again, these fryers can be purchased separate as a substitute for the warming pans for the taco carts that we sell. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.